So hello friends, so welcome to this session of how to add images to our blog, how to add images to spice it up. So if you want to add image, you need to use a copyright free images. If you don't, if you maybe or if you have one that you designed for yourself, so you can go and download from websites that will not ban you or will not complain about using their images. One of these websites is Pigsrb. Let's go to pigs. No, pigs. What? Pigsrb, not pigo. Pigs. Pixabay. Now this. Then you now search for image that is related to self-care. Let's see if we can find any image self-care. Yeah, I think we can find something. Yep. Self-care. Yeah. Oh, come on. You come and download. Self-care. I don't want to use image of this guy. Is this one good? Let's see. Take care of yourself. I think. Okay. I think this one should be kind of better, man. It's so cool, man. Nope, it doesn't look like a human. Okay, and now free download it. Download it for free. You download it for free. Free. I beg me. I dey manage MB. I want manage MB. I beg. Okay, I download for 400 kilobytes. I beg. In fact, let me download the smallest one. So it will bring out the download dialog box and something, blah. Then download it, note the name, or you can change so that you can self-care image. So after you download, then you go directly to upload it into our blog. Wow, our blog is going to be looking fine. Oop, where's our blog? You mean we did not save? Come on. Oh, I thought we did not save it. Yeah, it automatically saves. So meanwhile, if you want to save, you come here, save. So that you not enter into trouble. Then now you have this. Now you want to add images. If you want to add images to your blog, so that you look professional, man. You come here, top this tab, into this tab, this one moving. I think you are watching this one moving. You swipe. Meanwhile, you can add videos also. This one is for video. Ooh, come on. Then this is for images. Upload from computer. Let's go. Come on. So you can choose right from your SD card. You go to your SD card to choose a file from it. Let's go. Downloads or recent, anyone. Okay. Let's go to downloads. Yeah, this is our image. Upload. Wait for it to load. Oh, please don't be too hasty. Then if it has appeared like this, then you select and then select, it will appear. Wow. Meanwhile, you can resize. As you can see, it will be very good for you to use laptop for it. If you have laptop, you have more chance to edit because he's not covering well. You can make it small, large. Let's make it small so that what what too small. Ah, let's use medium. Self-care apps. Meanwhile, this is not related though. You just need an image of self-care apps, an app. Maybe the image of apps. But this is still okay, still related to self-care. Then if you want to publish, you come and publish, publish. If you want to publish this yellow, or which color is this? I don't know color, so please. This one that is right angle triangle or something like that. You come to publish here. This publish that you just saw. You click on it. Say, are you done with your post? Do you want to confirm? Yeah, confirm now and publish your post. You publish, post published. So this is how you do one after the other. Meanwhile, quality content is required. Quality, unique content. If you are confused anywhere, you make research about that topic. Then you come and write your view, your own view. So you can share. You can share. You can view what you published. So the way people will be viewing your website. So this is what we've created, isn't it? This is what we've created. Meanwhile, people can also comment. They can comment. People can comment on your post. See what we did. This is our header. This is our topic. Our header, image, introduction, the list of them, conclusion. That's all. So that will be all for now. In case you found this video on YouTube, please subscribe to that YouTube channel. That is my channel. Thank you very much. I will see you guys in another day, inshallah. Bye bye.